Hello everyone. My name is Aisha, and welcome to this 5-day English speaking challenge. In this challenge, we will practice speaking English fluently using a powerful technique called shadowing. Shadowing means you will listen to me and speak along with me, copying my pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are a sign that you are learning. By the end of day 5, your English will sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent. So, take a deep breath, smiley face emoji, smile. And say with me. Right pointing finger emoji, I am ready to speak English confidently. Great. Let's begin. Day 1, Self-introduction and daily routine. Goal. Build confidence using basic grammar and the present simple tense. Shadowing practice, repeat slowly. My name is Aisha. I am from India. I live in Tangdar. I am a student. I love learning English. Now, let's talk about a daily routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat my breakfast. Then, I go to college. After college, I study and help my family. In the evening, I take a walk. I sleep at 10 p.m. Grammar focus present simple tense, I wake up, I go, I eat, I sleep time expressions, in the morning, in the evening, at night practice sentences I study English every day. I speak English with confidence. I believe in myself. Day 2, talking about family and friends goal, use possessive adjectives and present simple tense. Shadowing practice this is my family. My father is a teacher. My mother is a homemaker. I have one brother and one sister. They are very kind and helpful. Grammar focus my, your, his, her, their examples, her name is Sarah. His name is Amir. Speaking practice my best friend's name is Ahmed. We study together and help each other. He always encourages me to speak English. Day 3, describing things and places goal, use adjectives and prepositions correctly. Shadowing practice my room is small but clean. It has one window and one table. There is a bed near the wall. On the table, there is a book and a lamp. Important vocabulary big, small, clean, beautiful near, under, on. Beside grammar tip use there is a pen on the table. Extra shadowing my town is very beautiful. There are green hills, tall trees, and kind people. I love living in my town. Day 4, talking about past experiences goal, practice the simple past tense. Shadowing practice last Sunday, I visited my grandparents. We cooked food together. I helped my grandfather in the garden. We talked and laughed a lot. Grammar focus go went eat ate do did seesaw practice sentences I went to the market yesterday. I studied English last night. I watched a movie with my friends. Day 5, future plans and motivation goal, use future tense with will and going to. Shadowing practice I will keep learning English every day. I am going to improve my speaking skills. I will become fluent soon. Grammar focus will decisions and promises going to future plans motivational practice I will never give up. I am more confident than before. My English is improving every day. Golden rules for speaking English, very important. Rule 1, think simple, speak simple don't try to speak perfect English speak simple English clearly example, I am feeling extremely exhausted today. I am very tired today. Simple equals correct equals confident Rule 2. Don't translate from your mother tongue Hindi/Urdu English translation direct English thinking instead of thinking, main kal market kaya the translate think directly, I went to the market yesterday. Rule 3, short sentences are powerful start with short sentences, then grow slowly. Example, I am learning English. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day to improve my confidence. Rule 4, speak daily, even if it's wrong silence kills confidence. Mistakes build fluency. Wrong English plus practice equals right English. Rule 5, shadowing rule, most important, listen pause repeat loudly copy tone and speed don't read silently. Speak out loud. Basic English speaking rules, foundation, Rule A, sentence structure subject plus verb plus object examples, I eat food. She likes tea. They play cricket. Rule B, present simple, daily life, use for habits and routines. Examples, I wake up early. I study English. I go to college. Rule C, past simple, yesterday, last time, use verb to. Examples, I went home. I ate food. I watched TV. Rule D, future simple use will or going to. Examples: I will practice English. I am going to improve my skills. Basic phrase rules, daily spoken English. Rule 1, use ready-made phrases, don't create sentences every time. Use fixed phrases. Daily life basic phrases, shadowing practice, morning phrases, good morning. How are you? I feel fresh today. Let's start the day. I am ready for work/study. Afternoon phrases, I am a little tired. Let's take a break. What are you doing? I am working right now. I will talk later. Evening, night phrases, good evening. How was your day? I am feeling relaxed. I am going to sleep. Good night, take care. Most common speaking phrases, very important. Repeat after Aisha, can you help me? I don't understand. Please repeat again. Can you speak slowly? What does this mean? Let me try. I am learning. Confidence building phrases, I can do this. I am improving. I am not afraid. I believe in myself. I will keep practicing. Say these daily. Thinking in English practice, look around you and think, this is my room. That is my phone. I'm sitting on a chair. I am talking in English. Narrate your life in English. Question making rule, very easy. Rule, use helping verbs do, does, did, will. Examples: do you like tea? Does she study English? Did you go yesterday? Will you practice tomorrow? Common mistakes to avoid: I agree, he don't know, he doesn't know, I did mistake, I made a mistake. Daily 10-minute speaking routine, 10 minutes plan, 3 minutes, shadow I. Rule 1, speak in simple English first, don't try big words. Big ideas in simple words are always stronger. Examples: I am ecstatic. I am very happy. Rule 2, think in English, not translate. Translation slows you down. Try to think in English first. Practice, look at an object and think, this is a chair, I am sitting, I see a phone. Keep practicing in your mind. Rule 3, speak every day, even if only 10 sentences. Fluency comes from habit, not talent. Daily goal, 10 sentences out loud, every day. Rule 4, shadow with emotion. English is not just words, it is feeling and expression. Speak these with emotion. I am excited. This is fun. I can do it. Emotion, confidence. Fluency basic structures, sentence building, present simple use for daily routines. I eat, I go, I study. Example sentences: I wake up early every day. I study English every morning. I help my family in the evening. Present continuous use for now happening actions. I am eating, I am learning. Examples: I am speaking English now. She is cooking food. They are listening carefully. Past simple use for past events. I went, I saw, I did. Examples: I went to the market yesterday. I watched TV last night. I learned a new word today. Future tense use will and going to. I will study tomorrow. I am going to practice tonight. 10-minute speaking practice, step by step. Minute 1, warm up, voice out, repeat out loud. I am learning English. I am speaking confidently. I enjoy speaking English. Minute 2, self-introduction, practice, speak slowly and loudly. My name is underscore. I am from underscore. I live in underscore. I am a student. I study English every day. Minute 3, daily routine, stretch and speak. My day starts at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school/college. I study in the evening. I eat dinner and sleep at 10 p.m. Minute 4, talking about feelings. Use these phrases: I am happy today. I am a little tired. I feel confident. I am excited to learn. Minute 5, daily sentences, quick responses. Repeat these lines: yes, I agree. No, I don't think so. Maybe, I will try. Can you repeat, please? Can you speak slowly? Minute 6, ask and answer practice. Ask yourself questions and answer. Q, what are you doing? A, I'm learning English. Q, where do you live? A, I live in underscore. Q, what is your favorite hobby? A, my favorite hobby is underscore. Minute 7, describing things, sharpen clarity, describe objects. This book is small and red. The chair is near the table. My phone is on the desk. Minute 8, past experience, short story, tell a mini story. Last weekend, I visited my grandparents. We cooked food together. I helped my grandfather in the garden. We talked and laughed. Minute 9, future plans, short talk. I will improve my English. I will practice every day. I am going to watch English videos. I am going to read English books. Minute 10, confidence boost, Power phrases, say these with emotion. I am confident. I am proud of myself. My English is improving. I will never give up. Light bulb emoji, most common spoken phrases, everyday English, repeat loudly. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? Where are you from? Nice to meet you. Please say it again. I don't understand. Can you help me? Brain emoji, important grammar rules you must remember. Rule A, subject plus verb plus object. Example, I eat food. She reads a book. Rule B, does for he or she. Correct, she does her homework. Wrong, she do homework. Rule C, did for past. I did my work yesterday. Remember one thing, you don't need perfect English. You need practice and courage. Every day you speak, you become better than yesterday. Don't stop because it's difficult. Continue because your future depends on it. You are not weak. You are learning. You are not slow. You are growing. Say it from your heart, I believe in myself. I will not quit. I will speak English confidently. If this English speaking challenge helped you, if you want to improve your confidence, and if you want to speak English fluently step by step, subscribe to our channel, English Podcast Junction. Press the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss our next English practice episode. Thank you for practicing with me. Keep learning. Keep speaking. And remember,